Alright, y'all ready for the fireworks show? Renner just...
It was a crazy...
Dude, we're not gonna light this shit here.
Shh, can we not use those words?
Oh, I'm sorry.
Apa sayang?
Go, babe.
Mana? That's my beautiful sayang right there. That's my baby. He's so cute.
Let's go.
Where are you going?
Hey, we're done.
I'm gonna go home right now.
No!
How are you gonna get home?
Right here.
We're gonna do fireworks. Right here.
Let's go home.
We're done.
Alright, then let's go.
We're gonna light up the fireworks.
We're lighting that last, but we don't know where to light it.
Hey, I'm shaking for real, lad.
Hey, can we clean up this mess here?
Clean it.
Damn you don't help and then now.
Renner better clean this up. All the ladies, look at that booty. That's sexy right there. All the ladies. All the ladies. He's single. He's single.
I'm taking it.
By who?
By Agnes.
Oh, he's taken by Agnes. Taken by Agnes. Agnes said he wishes. Jigga. Renner better clean it up. Woo. What is that? What was that?
I think that would dump me that thing.
Where did it go?
The top?
Oh, why'd you throw it away?
Huh?
I didn't say throw it away.
Come on, hurry up, light another one.
Yeah, it's like optimal, man. Bro. Just live in the middle. Always right there.
Dude, find another one. The chocks. Find it.
Hurry up and light it. Don't be a little girl.
Hey, little pussy.
Hey, do we have... Oh, hey, Renner, turn on your lights. Turn on your rear view lights.
Car. Watch out.
Oh my god.
No, I'll tell him... You could have kept going.
Hey, I don't have my keys.
Dang it. Inside?
Yeah.
Alright.
Dude, get some more of those things. Those things are crazy.
I'm gonna hit you, man.
Your car keys inside?
Hopefully it's inside a house, not here. It's not lighting.
Here.
Oh, that's
Okay.
That's beautiful. That's beautiful.
Dance around it, dance around it.
Beautiful. This is G4G's fireworks show, or should I say G4G? Cause Clement was in here. Joyride.
Better not run into me, man.
I don't know what that is. Albert does the weak crap.
I'm lighting this up.
You're lighting the rocket, Renner.
Oh, next to the Piccolo Pete.
No, not this. What the hell was that?
Dennis, you know he's gonna burn your face.
Yeah, this one.
It's gonna burn your face.
What is that?
Right there.
I know, watch.
Holy shit.
Grenade launcher. Oh, isn't that one? That is pretty, huh, fish? Ikan, that's pretty, Ikan. But not as pretty as me.
Where the hell is fish?
Shh, don't talk, man. Don't say that word. It doesn't matter. I don't know what that Piccolo Pete's doing.
Go, throw it. Throw one. What? That one. Oh, crap.
Someone dance. Hey, do a music video.
See that little thing? Oh man, I guess that thing gonna fail. Trust me. Why?
What about the other one?
Ma casa.
Does it spin?
There you go. No.
Smoke grenades. Move it, soldiers, move it.
What about that box one?
There's nothing on the box.
Oh, that was green.
How beautiful.
We're lighting all the weak ones first.
Let me light one.
There's one left, I think.
You have it?
Fire in the hole.
What's this one?
That weak one.
Oh, you lit them all already?
No, there's one more.
Oh.
He's all stuck, Renner.
Aggie, I know you want to be on camera.
Hey, what's this
Check
from?
yourself out, but move.
Sorry.
Renner,
Let me light this one.
why is there a fuse here?
Oh, just for fun.
TNT.
For fun.
Flowers. Oh.
No.
Fire in the hole.
For myself.
Why did mine?
Okay, either one.
Renner's stupidity obviously goes beyond limits.
That's a fuse now! Put it out! No, it's not. Come on! You can't put it out, Albert. Oh yeah?
Hey, that light, thank you. Let him stay here. We need that light for a car.
You guys are so smart. It's a freaking...
Hey, Renner, watch out!
Oh, baby. That's what I'm talking about.
Free show.
Free show for everyone here. Fireworks. This is G4G fireworks show since Clem Ditch. Huh, guys?
I put another one so the car can't move. Put another one over there.
Look at Albert.
Hey, look at my move.
No, we're not letting the car move. Free show. Free show, car. The car's getting a free show. Look at this. You want a close-up? You want a close-up? Oh, no. Too scared. Too scared. And the car is emo.
Happy 4th of July. Bombong.
Bonbon.
Bombong. Imagine that in the I was like, Apalo. Ooh, sexy mama.
Burn this plastic.
Whoa. Woo. Screams as loud as fish.
Oh, that was so gay.
I can turn your light, your car lights,
What?
so I can see.
Oh wow!
Oh, how
Look at
pretty.
that. Oh my god!
Oh my gosh, guys. That's so cute, but not as cute as Wongso. Woo. Look at that.
Light this one.
Look at my baby. That's my baby right there.
Mission Impossible, buddy.
Mission Impossible. So loud. What is Renner doing? Lighting up another fuse.
Oh, what the hell?
Oh.
What is that?
Oh, baby! Oh, wow! Wow! That was pretty.
I have another one here. I have another one.